With the rafters for the historic springhouse roughed out, it was finally time for us to move on to the scariest part, fitting them to the top plates. One single mistake and a week's worth of hard labor would be wasted. To help avoid mistakes, I started out by making a pattern. I really need to tighten this stupid bench up. Precise measurements are almost never possible with historic stone buildings, outbuildings in particular. Nothing is square or perfectly level. This makes it necessary to have a bit of flexibility. My pattern is meant to get everything close, no more than that. I'll build everything with the understanding that I'll have to make adjustments in the field to make it all work. I need to cut the rafter seats into the top plates. Just a word of advice, do this when the timber is green. Working with dried white oak like this is a total nightmare. I need something better than this. This really sucks. You know, I'm going to kill some time and make a decent mallet for myself. Well, that's better. It's not much to look at, but if it holds up for this one job, it'll more than pay for the 20 minutes I invested in making it. And that, my friends, is true 19th century logic. I can't seem to catch a break. It rains again and again, practically all week, but I just have to muddle through as best I can. But sometimes it's just too much, even for me. Just a few more seats to cut. It naturally goes a lot better when the rain isn't beating down on me. I reckon now's the time to try to get these rafters fit to the top plates. I find the most level spot I possibly can on this hillside we live on, and ironically, it's our parking spot, which is still a slight slope. I have to level the plates up and set them approximately where they would be in the springhouse. There's almost no chance of getting these perfect. Getting them pretty close is about the best I can hope for. compared to that tough old white oak, this pine is marvelous to work with. I wish I could say this is the end, but this is only the end of the beginning.